We've been trying to implement AI tools in our business, but honestly, I have no idea how to tell if we're actually getting any value from what we're using. Where should we even begin to start measuring how we're using this?
Well, that's a fantastic place to start. I love a practical question right out of the gate. Here's the truth. Having AI and cloud tools in place is nowhere near the same as having your people actually use them in a way that drives value for the business. In fact, I've seen plenty of tech investments where the only thing that changed was the IT budget. What matters is adoption, real usage, and whether those new workflows, automations, or insights actually make a difference for your people and your customers.
So it's less about the tech, more about what people do with it?
Exactly. Think of AI as another tool, like giving someone a shiny new wrench. If it sits in the box, what's the point? We need to track actual engagement, frequency of use, and where it's delivering for real business needs. Now, when I talk to business leaders, whether at chamber meetings or Microsoft events, I hear big claims about prioritizing AI. But privately, most will admit we're not monitoring it and we don't know what value it brings. Surveys and in-person answers can tell wildly different stories. Did you see that McKinsey study from 2025? They did a study and found that C-suite leaders estimated only 4% of employees used generative AI for at least 30% of their daily work. Yet self-reported employee usage was 3 times higher.
3 times? That's 90%.
Leaders also believed 20% of employees would use Gen AI for significant daily tasks within a year, but 47% of employees said they expected to do so. Well, what does this mean? It means that employees are more ready to jump in than their managers realize.
Wow. That's definitely a huge disconnect and something we need to consider. The problem is there are so many AI solutions out there. I feel so overwhelmed by the choices. How do I know where to start? What should we really be looking for when evaluating new tools?
That's a smart question. Not every tool lives up to its hype. I might even go so far as to say that right now, no tool is living up to its hype. But we still need to make some choices. My advice is to first clarify what problem you need to solve. Customer service, writing proposals, sales follow-up. The sharper you can clarify the needs, the easier it is to weed out the fluff.